ンポンパンポン始まるよ
Let's go! さあ、行くぞ
Start off by chopping your chicken breasts in half and then boiling them off. Make sure you got enough water to cover both of them. Sprinkle in some Chinese chicken stock and bubbly bubble. Then just leave it covered for 30 minutes. Dice up the green bit of the leek. And then pop that boy off to one side because we don't need him just yet.
へ
In a Ziploc bag, add a bunch of Szechuan peppers
ゴロゴロゴ
along with
ロ
a handful of peanuts and then crush them boys up. And again, pop him off to the side. Let's make our sauce. So that's 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of sesame seed oil, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic, a tablespoon of miso and sesame seeds along with a bunch of Rai Yu. Get everybody nicely mixed together. And then once it's all warmed up, you can add in those nuts and spices from earlier. Give everybody a nice mixity mix.
もう
And
一
let's
つ
chop up our chicken breasts. Because we're fancy. Then we're going to place everybody on a nice bed of sprouts because we forgot them. Whoopsies. Once you've got them laying on their beautiful sprouty bed, you can also drizzle them in our lovely sauce. And then once they're absolutely soaked, sprinkle on some more sprouts.
パンパカパーンすごいすごいいただきます
This is a super tasty and super healthy dish that I hope you all have a go at. This is a Chinese flavored dish, if you haven't noticed, by all those Szechuan peppers that we shoved in there. And it's so good. This sauce could literally go on anything. Salad, whatever, it's so good. If you aren't a fan of Szechuan peppers, just leave them out. This is perfect without it. We do this more than a few times a week, so like, subscribe, maybe leave a comment down below, and we'll see you in the next one.